Hey guys, GirlInGrease here. So I want to share with you guys a little something I'm going to be doing in my Jeep. So right now I'm at the gas station and I'm going to be putting in this fuel system tune-up. So basically, in a nutshell, what this does is it's going to basically clean up the fuel system. It's going to restore power, give a little bit more performance, and clean all of the nasties out of here. And so they do recommend to do it. And my Jeep currently is at about 30,000 kilometers. So I figured, let's do it. So what I have to do is, my Jeep is completely empty for fuel. So they say to put this in and then put in some really good fuel on top of that and get it a good mix. So let's get right into it and see if it does anything. That was the bill. And I got the highest premium fuel that the gas station offers because I want to put the best stuff in my Jeep that I can. So the bill was $131 to fill up my Jeep. All right, so I just got home after my first full fuel up with the cleaner. And I did notice that my fuel economy did go up. So that part was really, really good. But other than that, I didn't really notice anything too drastic, other than just, my fuel economy, and it just seemed to run cleaner, smoother. So I think that I will continue to do the cleaner every 20, maybe 30,000 kilometers. And because it is recommended, so it's not going to hurt. And to keep things moving and whatnot, it's always good to do. But that's my little tidbit after that. If you liked this video, which I hope you did, and I hope it is useful for you guys, please give it a like and a subscribe to see more upcoming videos on my SRT. And again, these videos are for you guys in the hopes that you can pull something out of it, that it can help you increase the lifespan of your SRT and any other vehicles, to be honest, that when you use the cleaner. So thanks so much for your support, guys, and we'll catch you next time.